this review, I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons these aquatic dumbbells earned a permanent spot in my swim spa routine. And I'm saving the best one for last, so be sure to watch to the end. If you've been shopping for aquatic dumbbells and watching every other review, you've probably noticed something. Nobody's actually getting in the water. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I want to thank the brand for sending these to me. Let's get wet. Water resistance works differently than weights in a gym, and the foam construction of these dumbbells is the reason why. Because they float, they are most effective on movements that push down in the water: chest press, tricep pushdowns, lateral pushdowns. Anything where you're working against the buoyancy is where these shine. For movements that pull upward, the foam is coming back to the surface on its own anyway, so you're working with the float rather than against it. Once you figure out which exercises work best with the buoyant foam dumbbells and adjust your routine accordingly, you'll get a solid workout out of them. Think of these less like traditional dumbbells and more like buoyancy resistance tool. Different physics, different exercise selection, still effective. For those 3 reasons. Reason number 3, the variety of exercises one set of dumbbells supports. What I'm showing you here is just a sample of what these do in the water. The foam construction gives you enough resistance to actually feel the workout without overloading joints that need to stay happy. And because the water is supporting your body weight the whole time, your joints are getting a workout without taking a beating. Reason number 2, the ability to remove them on the fly. This is one of those features that sounds minor until you're actually in the middle of a workout and you want to switch exercises or adjust your resistance level without climbing out of the water and fiddling with equipment. They release easily. You set them aside, you keep moving. That kind of flexibility mid-workout is what keeps the momentum going instead of stopping and starting every time you want to change things up. And the number 1 reason, and this is the one I saved because it's the most honest thing I can tell you, and nobody in an unboxing video can tell you this, they float, which means that the resistance is primarily on the push down into the water rather than an equal pull in both directions. This is just physics and foam, and it's worth knowing before you buy. Does that make them useless? No, not at all. The downward pushing resistance in exercises like chest press, tricep pushdowns, and lateral pushdowns is real, and you'll feel it. Storage is easy. Both dumbbells fit in my 22-gallon deck box where all the rest of my spa accessories are. So they're just right here when I need them. Oh, that's right. They also make great flotation devices. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give my shop a thumbs up and follow me for other great finds. Thanks for watching.